based sa latest statistics ng Philippine National Police, there are more than 10,000 rape cases every year
And
in
those
the
are the
Philippines.
cases pa lang.
10,000 rape cases is like one person being raped every hour.
Every hour. And
Actually, 27 rape cases yan per day.
yeah. So it's more than one per hour.
person
Per hour.
per
Yes.
hour. Pero let us not forget na itong 10,000 plus number na ito
Yung may courage lang.
ay ito lang yung nag-report. Marami pa dyan ang hindi pa rin nagsasalita kasi nandun pa rin yung trauma, nandun yung takot na baka hindi sila paniwalaan.
Yes po.
Kaya importante na yung mga katulad ng organization ninyo na just saying it out there na
Yes po.
merong makikinig.
Yes.
Merong makikinig. 'Di ba? Kung may nakikinig sa atin ngayon na biktima ng pang-aabuso, ano ang sasabihin mo sa kanila?
Well, it's to always know that they're never alone, that God is always there to listen to you, and He can deal with your anger. He can deal with all your emotions. Just let it out. And I want to tell them that they have a voice. They have a voice, and healing is possible. Redemption is possible. It's to really have compassion for them. Number one, never tell them na kasalanan nila, or never tanungin na ano bang sinuot mo. All those victim blaming questions, don't even ask that. Just ask, how are you doing? I'm here to listen to you.
Thank you. Thank you, Phoebe, for sharing your story, for having the courage, for listening to a lot of rape survivors. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, and be strong. Alam niyo po mga kapuso, kung i-analyze niyo po yung salitang listen, it has the same letters as the word silent. Kasi sometimes, ang unang hakbang para mabasag natin ang katahimikan ay pakikinig. Para mailabas natin yung mga biktima from their silence, the first step is actually to just listen to them. Kaya kung may kakilala po kayo na nakaranas ng pang-aabuso, ang una pong hakbang sa healing ay pakikinig sa kanila. Just listen to them, no judgment, just listen to their story. Maraming salamat po sa pakikinig sa ating programa ngayong araw. Ako po si Cara David para sa I Listen.